How many hours has this been?
What time is it now?
I have no clue.
2, 11, 7, that's 41 hours.
41 hours. 41 hours. My pretty ass been on this train for 41 hours. I think I might just keep it to myself, but for 41 hours, my pretty ass been on this train. And I'm excited. I'm about to get off. You know, I gotta get this on camera because I was in this train for 41 to 42 hours, which I don't mind. Cause you know, in my world, I'm always on time. You know what I'm saying? Cause you know, time don't exist or whatever. So we chilling.
What time is it? This time don't exist. And what? How do you catch trains if time don't exist?
I don't catch trains. I usually road trip.